Hi, my name is Chris Salem, and in my workshop, Shift into Retention Gear Winning Strategies for Auto Dealership Loyalty. In this workshop, it's designed to equip you, the auto dealer professional, with strategies and tools required to enhance customer retention and loyalty. What you will learn in this workshop is how to discover innovative approaches to fostering long term relationship with customers, leveraging data driven insights, personalized customer experiences, and effective communication techniques. Through this engaging presentation, participants will gain actionable insights to optimize customer retention, ultimately driving sustained business growth and success in the competitive automobile industry. Some of the takeaways that you will receive: you're going to discover the importance of customer retention in the automotive industry. You'll learn why retaining customers is crucial for long term success, including its impact on profitability, brand loyalty, and reputation. You'll explore effective strategies for enhancing customer retention, discovering actionable tactics and best practices for fostering loyalty among auto dealership customers, such as personalized communication, exceptional customer service, and post purchase engagement initiatives. Finally, you're going to be able to implement retention focused initiatives within your auto dealership operations, where you'll gain insights to practical methods for integrating retention focused strategies into day to day dealership operations. This includes leveraging customer data, optimizing service experiences, and cultivating strong relationships and customers. I hope to see you there and have a great day.